The next thing we're going to go over are the buttons that are located to the right side on the Yealink phone. So the first one here with the headset icon, this will be utilized when you have a headset connected to the Yealink phone. When this button is enabled, it will simply be lit green. To disable it, press it again, and then it will be lit with no light at that point. So over to the right, this is a mute button. So during an active call, if you do not want the other party to hear what you are saying, you would simply push this button. It isn't going to do anything because I'm not on an active call, but if I was, this button would light red. And then once I wanted to resume the conversation, simply press it again, and then it will be not lit at all, and the caller can hear me at that point. The button below this, the envelope icon, this is my personal voicemail button. So to press this would take me right into my voicemail, assuming the voicemail pin is set up. So now I will push this again.
You have no
And now it will take me into
messaging.
my voicemail.
Press.
In the next video, we'll go over the voicemail options, how to set greetings and things along those lines. To the right of that button, we have a phone with a pause icon. This is a hold button. This button is typically not used because the 4 buttons below the display will have a transfer, a hold, a conference, and those buttons are just easier to use in general. So for the most part, that button does not get used, but it can be if you prefer that way. Right below that, we have the 2 phones with the arrow in the middle. This is a transfer button. Same thing applies to this button as the hold. This button will become transferred during an active call, so most people typically use that versus the icon below here, but whatever one you prefer, you can use. To the left of that, we have that button there, and that is actually a redial button. What this will do, this will take us to our call history. You can scroll through here and look through what number you want to redial, and then go from there. To do that, you can either hit send, and also pound to send, so either one works. Below that is our speaker button. To push it, we will now be on speaker. Now, the phone automatically will go onto speaker once you start dialing, as you can see. So, use it when needed.